Do y'all want to know what I'm doing? I'm dipping marshmallows into some hot cream, and I'm making coconut bonbons. So we have put our cream in the microwave for 1.5 minutes, and we're just going to roll it around in here for about 15 seconds. And then we're going to roll it in our flaked coconut and our nuts. And that's sweet and shredded coconut and cashews, salted cashews. Look at that. Coconut bonbons. And how long did it take us? All right, y'all help me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And you just want to shake the excess off. And roll them in that beautiful cashew and coconut mixture. All right, here we go. Here we go. If you start leaving a little slow, you may have to stick your heavy cream. This was cream with a half a teaspoon of vanilla extract in it. So if it starts to cool off, just stick it back in the microwave. And I've got like half coconut, half chopped cashews in here. So it's real simple and easy. Real easy. Coconut bonbons. And you want to just leave them in there until the outside of your marshmallows start to get a little soft. You know what? And this would be a great recipe for the little children, your grandchildren to get in the kitchen and make. I'm going to go ahead and finish these last 3 up. Oh, yeah. Yes. Okay, here we go. Just going to cover it in that coconut and cashews. Oh, those got real good and soft. You know, and if it was a certain holiday or anything like that, say it was St. Patrick's Day, we could put some green food coloring in this and have St. Patrick's Day bonbons. I love coconut. Some people don't care for it, but I am a coconut lover. And Eddie went to the china cabinet and got out the only piece of silver that my mommy owned. And I remember this being on our coffee table as far back as when I was 5. And she would put mints in it. Well, today, in memory of my beautiful, sweet mama, I'm going to put my coconut bonbons in it. And I still love you, Mama, like it was yesterday. In fact, yesterday I was thinking my mother has been gone 54 years. And she lived to be 44, so she's now been gone longer than she actually lived. It's hard to believe. It's hard to believe, but those of you who have lost your mother, you know what I'm talking about. You learn how to cope, but you don't ever get over it. So I just savor those good memories. So love and best dishes to all of y'all from one mama to another.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.